Have you ever wondered about the financial underbelly of the online payment giants? Today, we're diving deep into the murky waters of Paysafe's debt, a topic that's often brushed under the rug. Paysafe, a global leader in payment solutions, has been at the forefront of the digital economy. But beneath its polished exterior lies a complex financial landscape, including a significant amount of debt. Part 1. Understanding Paysafe's debt. What is debt? A simple explanation of debt, including its types, e.g., short-term, long-term, secured, unsecured. Why do companies take on debt? Discuss the reasons why companies borrow money, such as expansion, acquisitions, or to cover operational costs. Paysafe's debt structure. Break down Paysafe's debt into different categories, e.g., bonds, loans, other financial obligations. Key metrics. Introduce relevant financial metrics to measure Paysafe's debt burden, such as debt-to-equity ratio, interest coverage ratio, and debt-to-assets ratio. Part 2. Analyzing Paysafe's debt. Debt levels. Present Paysafe's total debt in a clear and concise manner, using visuals like charts or graphs to illustrate the trend over time. Debt composition. Discuss the breakdown of Paysafe's debt, highlighting the proportion of different debt types. Debt servicing. Examine Paysafe's ability to meet its debt obligations by analyzing its interest coverage ratio and cash flow from operations. Debt maturity profile. Discuss the maturity dates of Paysafe's debt, identifying any potential refinancing risks. Part 3. The implications of Paysafe's debt. Impact on stock price. Explore how Paysafe's debt can influence its stock price, particularly in times of economic uncertainty or interest rate hikes. Creditworthiness. Discuss the implications of high debt levels on Paysafe's creditworthiness and its ability to access future financing. Risk of default. Assess the risk of Paysafe defaulting on its debt, considering factors like its financial performance, industry trends, and economic conditions. Investor perspective. Discuss the perspective of investors and how they should evaluate Paysafe's debt when making investment decisions. Part 4. The road ahead for Paysafe's debt. Debt reduction strategies. Explore potential strategies Paysafe could employ to reduce its debt burden, such as asset sales, cost-cutting measures, or debt refinancing. Economic outlook. Discuss how the broader economic environment, including interest rates and market conditions, could impact Paysafe's debt situation. Company outlook. Analyze Paysafe's overall business prospects and how its future performance could influence its debt position. Recap. Summarize the key points discussed in the video, emphasizing the importance of understanding Paysafe's debt. Call to action. Encourage viewers to conduct further research and stay informed about Paysafe's financial situation. Final thought. Share a final thought or perspective on Paysafe's debt, leaving viewers with something to ponder. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, remember to stay informed about the financial world around you. Until then, keep exploring and keep questioning.